How to play multiplayer games on Crazy Games. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can play multiplayer games on Crazy Games. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to play multiplayer games on Crazy Games, you want to simply make sure to launch the Crazy Games first of all over here. And there are different type of games in Crazy Games, right? So there'll be single player games and there'll be multiplayer games. To find the ones only tailored for multiplayer, what you want to essentially do is after you launch the app, just tap on the search bar from the bottom of the screen. And when you do that, under the search bar you can see the feature tab right here. So here under the feature tab you can see various options right here. One of them which says is multiplayer. So when you select multiplayer option, you can select a multiplayer mode online against random players, online against friends, or local with friends on the same device. I will select, let's say, online against random players, and you will see a variety of all the different games that I can choose to play online. And these are all the multiplayer games. And this way I can play multiplayer games on Crazy Games. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.